Hey guys, you're watching Android Geek. Today I'm going to show you 6 must-have root apps for Android. I'll leave all the app download links in the description down below. So let's get to it. So at first we have Titanium Backup. Well, this app is around in the Play Store for about 6 to 7 years now, and although Google Sync and Backup is making it less popular, but I would recommend using it, especially if you're frequently installing custom ROMs or you need to format your phone, and or you might and you're afraid that if you will lose all your data and everything, like suppose you played a game, you may have to start your game from the beginning. So if you don't want that to happen, this app is really great for you. So for example, I'll back up my 8-ball pool app over here, and during this time it all backs it up in your internal storage or your SD card, depending on where you selected it in your settings. So after you're done backing up your app, you'll get a notification over here that the backup is complete. So to check it, you can just tap over here and you'll see that your last backup with the timing and everything. So if you want, you can restore it from here or delete it if you want to. Okay, so let's go to schedules now. Here you can select when you want to back up your apps, or if you want to modify them, or you want to do with including your system applications and everything according to your time and need. So that's pretty much it over here. It's a pretty straightforward, simple backup app, and it's really worth using. So next up is ROM Manager. Well, ROM Manager is for the ones who use custom ROMs or custom recoveries. So as you can see, I'm having options over here. Well, I don't have any of them because I don't use it, and I don't really think that I need to at the moment. Okay, so you can partition your SD card, you can fix permissions, back up your current ROM, manage restore backups, check for ROM backups. This is mostly if you're using CyanogenMod or any well-known ROMs who give OTA frequently. And you can also download ROMs. Well, don't be very trustworthy of the download ROM because it might say it supports or somewhere or other here and there, but maybe it does, and you may fall into some problems such as boot loop and everything. So here you can go to settings, and actually this is a free version, so there is another paid version. You get some more additional features over there. So in the settings you can just I'm just scrolling so you could just see. So the third one in my list is Root Checker Basic. Well, it's basic, and there's another one which is Pro, I guess. So it's some kind of the same thing. You don't really need the paid version. So all what this app does is just verifies if your root is properly installed and everything. So as you can see, my phone is rooted properly and everything is fine. So actually that's it over here. And you could also edit your build prop editor. Well, it is all from the developer, so it's kind of like an ad over here, so that's up to you. The third app is Greenify. Well, I have a non-root review in my channel. If you want, you could just click on the Google card on there on top, and so let's check it out. So it's just the same thing. You don't get that bubble head things like to force stop and everything. So it just does it with your accessing Super SU permissions. So as you can see, I'm not using Xpose, so I only have my user applications over here. And over here you can see my working mode is root. So if you're rooted, you should check this option over here. If you're using Xpose framework, you should use this Greenify system apps over here. As you can see, it tells me to download Xpose installer. Well, I'm having some problems with my latest OTA update, so I'm not really using it right now. Well, this app is very good if you want to save some battery and also free up some more RAM space, and also maybe your internet speed and mobile data. So the fifth one in my list is battery calibration. Well, I have a full review over here in my channel, so if you want, you can just check it out over there. So it was just to link it up over here. So you just have to tap it here, and it's actually recommended that your battery percentage is 100%, and after that you just reboot your phone. That's it. So the last, or the sixth one in my list, is App Ops. Well, this is my long awaited application or feature that I was wanting on my Android device. Well, this is, in short, this is the app permission feature that you get in your Android 6.0 Marshmallow, which you can use it in Android 4.2 or plus. So all this thing does is, suppose Messenger over here, this is the location option, but you can get all the permission options over here. So I actually don't want location, read contacts, modify, read call log. I'm like, why will I want Facebook Messenger to read my messages? I mean, and you can see over here receive one message. I don't know what the hell was that, but that's creepy, right? And camera and all, maybe sometimes I use it, so it's fine. So like this you can check all the personal data, which apps check your personal data. You could also see when was it last used or anything, but you cannot see the details if you want to. So that's one thing missing, which I would really want to have. And you could also select which ones you want in auto start, like if you don't want Viber to start on your boot, so you could just uncheck it over here with the switch. So it's a pretty useful application, and you just need root access for this, of course. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and please share and subscribe for more. And happy geeking!